jwale phutiso e kgolo ke ya gore na mmuso o šoma ka maatla go fediša tlaišo ya basadi le bana e re pele re tswela pele ka taba e re kwa gore wena mmugi wa Soweto TV o e bona jwang
kufanele ukuthi abantwana sibakhusele siba-protecte ngayo konke indlela ngoba bayi-future yase-South Africa.
Into ebuhlungu kakhulu yamfowethu ayifuneki le nto leyo into embi impela ngazi ukuthi ngayiceda ngani ngibona yanda nje iyaphambili.
Ayikho right I think yena ngoba manje abomama bethu yibo abantu abasilethela emhlabeni and abantu kumele basinakekele, so women and children abuse is not a good thing.
Bring back the death penalty, number one, especially for child abuse and women abuse as well. Maybe once we start respecting women and children, then this country will become a better place to live in.
Ba tswela pele ba tshwara batho ba gona mara e no tswela pele go bontsha gore batho ba bona ba kry-a boipshino ba iphina ka mo toronkong ba ba bontsha dilo tse di botse tse e le goreng a ba tshwanela ba ba fa lethabo le la go feta motho a tsamayang ka montle that's why e tswela pele ka go no bereka mmereko wa yona a ke re ya bona papa ke ka mokgwa e le goreng a re kgone se bona government swantse se thope ka mokgwa mo jwang a e thome ka ditšele papa.
Le ndaba ye-women and children abuse indaba engekho allowed kakhulu because ekugcineni uma sihlukumeza abantwana esiphila nabo sihlukumeza abomama esizalwa nabo ekugcineni sisala sisodwa sinawubaba sisala senzeni kulo mhlaba kunje.
As a human being or as a father, I'm totally against it. Therefore, and it needs more education so that it will help other people, because other people, they are not aware that they are being abused or they are the abusers.
Ndi utambuza vafumakazi zwine azwi zwavhuḓi kha vhutshilo vhafumakadzi to vha fara zwavhuḓi ndi zwone zwine zwa tou itwa kha vhafumakadzi hezwo.
aowa ao ke maikutlo a setšhaba ba bapile gore na mmušo o šoma ka maatla go fediša tlaišo ya basadi le bana ge o nyaka go ba karola lenaneo le o ka kopanya le rena go di-social network go Twitter @Soweto TV channel /news and views mola go Facebook e le Soweto TV channel goba o ka kopanya le nna Lucas Kgaphola go Facebook. Re thakgola lenaneo la rena ka go amogela modulasetulo wa Men's Forum City of Ekurhuleni Veli Similane ga mmogo le modulasetulo wa Women's Forum gona City of Ekurhuleni Nomathemba Maseko Jele le amogetšwe. Aha.
Thank you for having us.
Aha. Let's start with you, Veli. You've heard people's views about this thorny issue. What's your take?
My take is that singamadoda, we don't have to sit back and overlook the abuse on women and children. Singamadoda, we have to stand up and fight against the abuse of gender-based violence.
Okay. Why did you start Men's Forum?
We started Men's Forum to ensure the gender equality and transformation in the workplace, aimed at creating awareness and facilitating employee engagement.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Nomathemba.
Ke le wantate ke le wa le babui hai
Ahe.
ke nahana hore ka nnete ba bua nnete babuhi ba rona.
Oh, yeah.
This has been a serious problem for a long time. Re le bomme re lwana re le bang.
Oh, yeah.
Re le bo ha ile mona bontate ba se ba hlokomela hore ba tshwantsho ba kene le bona.
Yeah.
Re lwane ntwa he kaofela ha rona.
Yeah.
Ka nnete empe ka tsela eo e leng hore government wa rona o enka serious jwale ka mpo ke bonang ka teng. Ka lebaka leo re se re thoma le di forum re ba le di women ministry wa tseba hore recently re na le ha se khale le teng women ministry le di department tse ding le bona ba enka serious. So ka lebaka leo ke rata hore babuhi ka mkhore ba utlwang ba buang ka teng ho bonahala hore molaetsa wa fitla batho ka nnete.
Braveli, what are some of the common issues that men raise as you meet more Men's Forum?
Number one in that we don't have to meet only once to have a dialogue, but we have to meet maybe quarterly as men to discuss about the issues ezidla umzi ngesixhosa. Okwesibili ukuthi uma sesihlangene singamadoda sakhuluma ngalezi zinto noma ngalezi ndaba ezenza ukuthi kuhlukumezeke omama nezingane zethu ukuthi bese siyahlangana futhi ne-women empowerment yabomama ekuruleni sibheke ama-issues asithintayo thina singabobaba nabomama.
But what are some of those issues?
Ama-issues anjengalawa welokhuza we-gender based violence, ukubhekela phansi abantu besifazane, ukungabahloniphi, izinto ezinjalo. Uma sihlangene sikhuluma ngazo singabomama nabobaba, siyacabanga ukuthi kuzosiza ukuthi futhi sikwazi uku-understandana as abomama nabobaba, sikwazi nokukhulisa ingane ngendlela efanele. Yes.
Nomathemba, the issues tse bomme ba llang ka tsona go ba bontate ga le kopane ke tse di feng?
Hobane rona mosebetsi wa rona as a women forum re sebetsa ka hare ho masepala. Mandate ya rona is within the municipality.
Okay.
The issue tse di raisewang hangata bomme ha ba happy hore ha ba fitla mosebetsing bontate ha ba ba tshware hantle. E ka be ile hore ka nako engwe ba batla dikobo, ka nako engwe ha ba se ile hore mohlomong ba sebetsa bontate ho bonahala hore ba nyenyefatsa bomme ka ditsela tse ngata. And also women, they sometimes complain on the issues of even equal payment. There are issues tse leng hore bomme ba di phahamisa ka mosebetsing ba di bonang wa tseba bomme ke di managers even in the houses. So mo mosebetsing hona le di issues tse ngata tse ile hore ha ba di bona ba di tlhakisa ba di tlisa ka hodimo ho bonahale hore ba ba dira. Bontate ba ba hatella ka hare. Bontate ka nako engwe at work, sometimes we are equals as equals within the work space. Really meeting o tla bona ntate ka nako engwe a re a o rome o tshwantse o eme ka maoto wena o lo metsetsa tie kapa o etse ntho e leng hore ka nnete ha o e sheba o bona hore motho ha nke serious.
Ke a go kwa.
So equality.
Oh yeah. Re bolla ka ditaba tsa tlaiso equality. Se shuteng re a boa.